What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to use Digit to save for a business trip. Now, Digit can help you automatically set aside money for upcoming work, travel, or business expense, ensuring that you're financially ready when it's time to go. Let me show you what to do to get this done. So first step is going to be to open the Digit app. Go ahead and launch Digits on your mobile device and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, tap Goals at the bottom menu. Just navigate to the Goals section to create or view saving goals. Next, you're going to create a new goal. So just tap the plus icon to add a new goal. Select or type business trip as the goal name. Next, enter the goal amount and deadline. So you're just going to input exactly how much you want to save and the date of your business trip. Digit will then calculate exactly how much to save daily or weekly to reach that goal. Next is to link your business account if you haven't done this already. So you want to ensure that your funding account is connected to Digit so that Digit can pull small transfers towards this specific goal. You can also monitor and adjust. So watch the progress on your home screen. You can edit the goal, pause it, or you can boost savings manually at any time. With this goal set up, Digit takes care of the rest, helping you to arrive at your trip with peace of mind and of course covered expenses. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. See you guys in the next one.